In this video, I will teach you how to fix WordPress changes not showing in Frontend. This is a common issue where your WordPress changes don't appear on the front end of your website. This can be really frustrating, but I'll walk you through the easy steps to solve it. The very first thing you need to do is to go to your WordPress dashboard by going to your domain that you have created using WordPress.com. But if you don't have a WordPress account yet, you can sign up by clicking on Get Started right here and install WordPress. But if you already have an account, you can just pretty much click on Login right here and type in your credentials. So oftentimes, the problem isn't WordPress itself, but your browser storing an older version of the site. All you have to do is try refreshing the page using Ctrl F5 on Windows or Command Shift R on Mac. But if that doesn't work still, you just have to clear your browser cache in the settings. If you're using a caching plugin like WP Supercache or Lightspeed Cache, you just have to go to your WordPress dashboard and find the cache plugin settings. So to do just that, all you have to do is to scroll down to plugins, then go to installed plugins and find your caching plugin. Let's say Lightspeed Cache in here. So we just have to search for it, then click on settings. Then all you have to do is to turn off enable cache right here so that all cache entries for the site will be purged. Then go ahead and click on save changes right here. This forces your website to load the latest version. If clearly the clearing of the cache doesn't work, try disabling any caching or optimization plugins temporarily. So we just have to go back to plugins right here and then go to install plugins. And we could try and deactivate the plugins that we have installed. Let's say the Lightspeed cache right here. All you have to do is to click on deactivate or disable this temporarily and deactivate it. Then all you have to do is to check your site if it's working. If that still doesn't work, you can also check themes or page builder cache. Some themes or page builders like Elementor or Divi also have their own caching system. So if you're using one of those like me, let's search for Elementor right here. Then go to its settings and look for an option to clear or regenerate CSS and cache. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.